The TRADERCOBB Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day ladies and gentlemen, Craig Cobb here. Welcome to the channel. Look, I just want to do a little introduction into a couple of interviews that I did at the Australian Crypto Convention, the first of its kind on the Gold Coast back in September. A fantastic event put on by a really good bloke, and I look forward to the coming event in Melbourne next year. It should be an absolute belter. They did a fantastic job. I got to sit down with a couple of different people to speak to them about their projects or their platforms. To start off with, I wanted to bring you this interview that I had with Luciano Lorenz, who is the head of marketing for eToro Australia. You get to hear about what they're up to, what they've been building, and why eToro is really a trailblazer in the Australian crypto and stock trading space as well. I hope you enjoy this video. Australian Crypto Conference, speaking with the marketing manager for Australia. Good friend now, Luciano. Thank you so much for your time, mate.
How are you, mate? Good?
I'm very, very well now. I wanted to speak to you about a couple of things here, but I've been watching eToro evolve, not just in the copy trading space, which of course you're the world leader in, with what, 20 million accounts or
30,
something? 30 million accounts, more people on eToro than Australia.
Exactly.
That's incredible to really see in your head. But you've always been along with stocks and whatnot, a lot of stocks and equities, that sort of thing. Of course, you moved into crypto a little while ago. You got your very own exchange where you can buy your own Ethereum and the actual Ethereum token and send it away and use it like any other exchange. Tell us a bit about that and how that's been going for you guys.
Well, it's been going really well. The take of real assets is kind of the evolution of what we're doing. Recently, we also launched Australian stock, so we are opening the real asset offer to Australia through multiple platforms and multiple assets. The change in real asset is kind of very appealing for traders. Not only that, it's only the transfer opportunity to bring assets to eToro and take them out to other platforms. So that is doing really well. And there's a lot of interest in investing more in real assets than CFDs or leverage products. So, yeah.
Well, that's fantastic because we want to own our own crypto. The whole point and purpose of crypto to start out with, it's your money.
Yeah.
It's the people's money.
Correct.
And it's great to see eToro evolving into that. Now, while we're talking about traders, investors and whatnot, one of the things that we see in the exchange space with cryptocurrency and digital assets is that that's it. You're a crypto exchange and that's it. One of the advantages I see with eToro is somebody that's made good money, let's say, in their crypto at the top of the bull run or whatever, and they exchange that out into stable coins or whatever. You're able to also go to eToro, either do copy trading, but as you said, for Australians as well, you can actually invest in Australian equities and commodities and all sorts of different bits and pieces.
Correct.
I see that as a beautiful bridge between the traditional markets and the cryptocurrency. And are you seeing that you're getting a cross-pollination and cross-flow of capital, both in and out of digital assets, in and out of
Correct,
stocks?
exactly. Yes. So we see a lot of crossovers. We see sometimes that new traders come from different funnels.
Yeah.
Crypto, stocks, FX, commodities, even copy, just to understand what is copy. But as soon as they start trading on one specific asset, they start looking and learning about other assets. So that crossover between assets, what we encourage as well. We call ourselves a multi-asset platform, a one-stop shop. As a key differentiator with all the other platforms, basically you can trade hundreds of thousands of assets from everywhere in the world. We also build our own ETFs, we call smart portfolios. So a basket of opportunities of stocks globally that we think that will, in the future, will grow. Example, EV cars, crypto tokens, and you name it, like Beyond Food style. Then we have a lot of our own ETFs that we also promote as a unique opportunity to invest. So adding into all the range of assets that you can invest in eToro, we also create specific assets for specific audiences.
Like sort of sector-based, sector-weighted opportunities. So if you've got, let's say, $100,000 to keep the number nice and simple, you might want to split it across several different sectors.
Exactly.
It's very easy to do on the eToro platform.
Correct. Even for the Australian launch, we created what we call the Aussie Economy ETF for Smart Portfolio. So we got the top 30 stocks at Australia, and we pair with the S&P and the growth the last 10 years. And you can see that those 30 stocks over time outperformed the SP 500. So we are building the portfolio not only on nice stocks or popular stocks, but also the historical return in 10 years' time. So we put a lot of thoughts on that as well, and it's our own product as well. So that's another opportunity to invest. So it's pretty cool.
Well, it's no wonder you've got 30 million clients the world over. You continue to innovate. You're moving into the Australian shares now. Ownership of those, obviously ownership of digital assets, cryptocurrencies, your ETFs and different funds. And just what you're doing, you sponsor the Wallabies. That's great. Results not so great. You're doing a lot of great things here in Australia and all around the world, Luciano. Well done, mate.
Tell
us where we find out more about eToro and how to get on board.
So you can go to eToro.com basically, or you can go to any of the app stores. You can download eToro. Very simple, straightforward. Entry barriers. You open an account very easy. In 5 minutes you open an account. We have the demo account as well. So if you don't want to use your money, we give $100,000 at a virtual account that replicates the market, so you don't have to use your money if you have a brilliant idea of buying crypto or building your own strategy. It's risk-free, and it's sponsored by us. So happy days. Enjoy trading.
Enjoy. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen. Speak to you again very soon.
Thank you.
Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.